Meet the two newest members of Black & Decker's 20-volt max system of high-performance tools. Our new 1- and 2-speed drill drivers offer the same speed of prior models, but they're lighter and more compact. Easy to use and comfortable, a mid-handle design gives these drill drivers a balanced feel and great maneuverability. A keyless chuck makes bit changes quick and easy. An 11-position clutch helps to keep the screws from stripping, and an LED light helps to illuminate your workspace. These and a host of other convenient features make completing projects easy. Use the 1-speed model for common DIY tasks, or the 2-speed model for more demanding jobs. Either way, Black & Decker's new 20-volt max drill drivers give you the speed you know in a compact design you'll love. Part of the 20-volt max system, works with your existing Black & Decker 20-volt max power tools and outdoor equipment.
Make tough work seem easy with the Craftsman V20 20-volt max drill driver. This drill is powered by a high-performance motor, producing 320 unit watts out for completing a variety of applications. It features a 2-speed gearbox for speed of fastening and a 1/2-inch ratcheting chuck for improved bit retention. The LED light improves visibility in dark work areas. At the end of the workday, it can be stored just within reach. Tackle your next project with the Craftsman V20 20-volt max drill driver.
The Bosch 12-volt max lithium-ion hammer drill driver. Best in class, compact size, and lightest weight. 3/8-inch, 3-jaw chuck. 265 inch-pounds of max torque. 20+ 1-clutch settings. Powerful 2-speed gearbox. It comes with Bosch's 12-volt max lithium-ion quick charge power system with unmatched runtime, best cold weather operation, and twice the lifetime. The right size. A tool for any job. The power you need. The 12-volt max lithium-ion hammer drill driver.
Bosch. Invented for life.
Milwaukee expands its drilling and fastening range with upgraded M18 compact brushless drills and impact driver that are more compact with longer runtime. The M18 compact brushless drills and impact driver are more compact. With the drills measuring only 165mm and the impact driver 130mm, they're ideal for overhead applications or working in tight spaces. The Milwaukee-built brushless motor with red lithium-ion batteries deliver longer runtime and longer tool life than brush drills and impacts, allowing you to get more done and make fewer trips to the charger. An all-metal gear case and 13mm chuck provide maximum impact and shock durability that you demand on the job site. Milwaukee's patented RedLink intelligence with overload protection and temperature management protects your investment to ensure that the tool and battery are safeguarded during the most demanding applications. The Milwaukee M18 compact brushless drills and impact driver. More compact and longer runtime.
Introducing Porter Cable's new 20-volt max lithium-ion hammer drill, part of the growing linked system of high-performance tools. Delivers the power demanded by the user with a high-performance motor and 2-speed gearbox. Easily transition from drill to hammer mode for concrete, brick, and block applications. Hammer mechanism powers through material at 27,200 beats per minute. 1/2-inch metal ratcheting chuck minimizes bit slippage, and a 22-position clutch provides control during various fastening applications. LED work light brightens dark work areas. Additional features include battery fuel gauge, belt clip, and 2 magnetic bit clip holders. New 20-volt max 2.0 amp-hour batteries delivers up to 33% more runtime. 20-volt max system also offers 4.0 amp-hour lithium-ion battery, delivering power and runtime needed for the job. 20-volt max hammer drill provides the power, durability, ease of use, and value demanded on the job site. The Porter Cable 20-volt max system delivers the power you need at the price you want. Get linked with the power and performance of 20-volt max.